What is up? Welcome back everyone to Reefs. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the best ways to make money on Instagram in 2021 with your theme page or regular Instagram account. I'm going to be going over the best ways to make money on Instagram in this video, and I'm going to be compiling them all into one for you guys to make it easy and simple to find which method works best for you. I'm going to be going over each method to make money on Instagram and which ones I think are good and the pros and cons to each. My goal is to provide you guys the best information here on this channel, so if you guys could leave a like and subscribe if you are not already subscribed, but make sure to turn on those bell notifications so you guys do not miss a brand new video. I post a bunch of different videos on this channel, mostly to do about making money on the internet and growing Instagram and just social media pages in general. I've been on Instagram for years now and I've tried pretty much all of the different ways to make money on Instagram. And in this video, I'm going to tell you guys which ones are the best and which ones are the worst, but I'm going to be going over every single one that I could think of. If I missed any, let me know in the comments down below. Before we get started, also make sure to get your 2 free stocks down below with Webull when you deposit $100. It's a good way to get into the stock market if you aren't already and get some 2 free stocks that could be worth up to $1,500. So, why not? Okay, so let's go right into it. So the very base way to get paid on Instagram, normally when you are making content on Instagram, whether that be a theme page or just a personal page on Instagram, most likely you'll have a brand reach out to you or some sort of company that is looking for promotion. They normally charge you a flat rate depending on how many followers you have and your engagement. Honestly, this is not my favorite way of making money on Instagram because normally they're getting more out of your promotion than you are from them. You're not fully maximizing the amount of money that you can make using this, and oftentimes they're gonna undershoot you and underworth your value on Instagram and your followers. Most of the time, for my pages with 20,000 followers to 50,000 followers on Instagram, people normally only give me around $30 per post for my feed, or like $10 for my story when promoting a product, where when they're promoting the product and paying you the $30, they might make up to $100, so you want to keep that in mind. If you have active followers in a specific niche, that could be worth a lot of money, and most of the time they're underselling you. But if you guys want to, you can still take these deals because it is still a very quick way to make some money and just a good way to get started making money on Instagram, and you do get a lot of these when running theme pages. Most of the time it's just dropshippers wanting to promote their product on your page. It's not the best way of making money on Instagram, I think, but honestly, to get that quick $30, sometimes even hundreds of dollars, depending on whether you're a personal brand or just a theme page on Instagram, it could be worth it to you. Make sure you're not getting undersold for your followers. Make sure you guys are really knowing the value of your followers and how engaged they are, and try to negotiate the price up because most of the time they are going to try to get the promotion as cheap as possible. So know your worth. I am going to talk about a method of making money on Instagram that works really well for all niches, but before that I need to talk about dropshipping and creating your own product. Okay, so creating your own product is not necessarily the best way to make money on Instagram. If you're just a theme page or a personal brand with under 100,000 followers, this is not necessarily the route that you want to go. It's quite a hassle to make a website and create a product and get all of that shipping and all of that hassle. It's just not really worth it if you're under 100,000 followers. However, if you do want to check out dropshipping, you guys could do that. You could look up a video. I don't have any videos personally on dropshipping quite yet. I might make one in the future. I'm not sure. But making your own website and creating a product could be really profitable if you have quite a large following or have a network of different pages with a lot of following. Now, this does require a lot of work. Like, you have to make a website, list all the products, make sure the products are actually things that your audience wants to buy. There's a lot of testing, and it can take like weeks to months to really get everything flowing well. You guys could try Shopify dropshipping. However, another thing is it's still kind of a hassle, and if you don't know how to make a website, you'll end up having to pay someone to make a website for you, and you also have to test products, and it just takes a long time. And honestly, in my personal opinion, unless you have kind of a larger following or you're willing to pay promotion on other people's pages for dropshipping, I wouldn't really recommend dropshipping or creating your own product. I'm just gonna group merch into creating your own product. I mean, unless you're a personal brand, I don't really see the point in merch unless you can make a really cool t-shirt design that really fits your page or your niche. that you are making content about on Instagram. I really don't think merch is that great. If you are a personal creator or you're just an influencer, maybe merch is something that you can look for, but make sure you guys are making your own merch and not coming with these certain companies that are going to take half of your profits on each deal. I know so many influencers that are pretty much just getting taken a hold of by management and just companies that are telling them that they're gonna make merch for them. I mean, it gets rid of the hassle, but realistically, they're taking like half of everything that you make from the merch, and I don't think it's really worth it to do it that way. If you're gonna make merch, just try to make your own, I guess. Maybe just hit up a graphics designer and then make something on Teespring. So those ways of making money were pretty much everyone knows about. Everyone knows about people paying for a promotion on your page, and everyone really knows about creating your own product or drop shipping or making merch. Now I'm going to go into my way of making money on Instagram and how I was able to actually make $2,000 in 1 month with only around 30,000 followers on Instagram. Not many people know about this, but I do want to share the method of making money that I use. This is a really good way to make money in 2021, and it takes zero to no effort to do this. To be honest, it's probably the easiest way to make money on Instagram. This is through an app called the Plug app. Plug app is a network of different apps that will pay you a certain amount per download that you get for their app. They will give you pre-made advertisements to post on your account, to where every time someone clicks the link in your bio linking the app, the Plug app will take notice of that and give you a certain amount of money per download that you provide for that ad. I've seen the Plug app work in all different niches, and I think it's just a really good way. No matter what kind of page you have on Instagram, it's a very good way to make money. You kind of have to know your audience pretty well and know what they like and know what kind of apps they would be interested in. I have a video about how to make your own custom ad and how to use this app to your best ability, and that video is right here. You guys can go check it out after or switch to it right now if you guys want to know more about the Plug app and making money with the Plug app. I'll give you guys a brief example and a little bit of a rundown on using the app and how people are using it on their posts and on their feed to get downloads and get money from the app. So as you can see right here, the person on their Instagram theme page just posted a regular post that they would normally post. But on the second slide, they have an advertisement, and the advertisement is just a little iOS game that is very appealing to most people. They want to do this because they're trying to reach the most broad audience as possible, and everyone really does play iPhone games that just take no effort and no thought to actually play, and they're also free. Little games like this that are really fun to play and just are time consuming tend to do well on the Plug app and normally get a lot of downloads, providing you with a lot of cash. So pretty much all they did was say to download the app, so when they watch the advertisement, maybe they like the game and they're interested in, so they'll say something like, oh, there's a link in bio to go download the game, and then when the person goes from the advertisement on their page that they just posted, they go to the link in the bio, they click the link and they download the app, and let's just say the person running the theme page got 20 cents for that download. Now if you get 1,000 people to download the app, that's $200 right there. Using this, I was able to make $2,000 in 1 month, and here's the proof here. And I also only had 30,000 followers on Instagram. I wasn't necessarily able to consistently do this, but the fact that I was able to make $2,000 in 1 month is pretty impressive considering that I didn't have that many followers on Instagram. The key here with the Plug app is finding your audience and finding which kind of advertisements really work with your audience and how to make your posts go viral so that more people will see the advertisement and want to download the app. They make it really easy to sign up, and you only have to have 5,000 followers on Instagram to sign up for the Plug app. If you guys want to check out the Plug app, I'm not sponsored or anything, but I do have some referral codes down below where if you type in my referral code, I'm pretty sure you get some Plug coins for free. Don't quote me on that, which you can trade in for cash. Also, you can cash out every day to your PayPal, which is pretty nice. So that concludes my video about how to make money on Instagram in 2021. If I missed anything, let me know in the comments down below and let me know what you guys want to see on this channel. I tried my best to only share the best possible ways of making money on Instagram. I'm sure there's a lot more that I didn't mention in this video, but I kind of see them as obsolete, and I find that these ways of making money are the best ways on Instagram. Anyways, if you guys like this video, make sure to smack a like for the YouTube algorithm, and also subscribe if you're not already. But make sure to turn on the bell notification. This has been Reeves, and peace out, YouTube.